Welcome to Circuit Meter Quick Insights. In this edition, we look at how organizations are leveraging accurate, real-time circuit-level data to build decision intelligence, moving from reactive to predictive operations, identifying energy waste before it adds up, and much more. Let's start with what separates us from the rest of the industry. While legacy systems update every 15 minutes, Circuit Meter pushes real-time energy data to the cloud every 2 seconds. This means abnormal consumption is flagged in real time, not after the window to act has already closed. And that real-time data stream is what makes this possible. Circuit Meter's continuous energy audit replaces one-time manual audits with 24/7 circuit-level monitoring. This gives organizations the clarity to understand, optimize, and improve operations on an ongoing basis. And once that continuous monitoring is in place, Circuit Meter goes a step further because silent issues are the costliest. Performance drift is gradual and accumulates over time through phase imbalances, rising consumption, or declining power factor. Circuit-level benchmarks give you the visibility to catch it early, safeguarding long-term energy savings and confirming that your upgrades and equipment are still delivering. And those benchmarks do more than track drift, they power precision maintenance. Circuit Meter delivers real-time alerts the moment consumption exceeds set thresholds, preventing unplanned equipment failures before they escalate into costly repairs, and avoiding disruptions to operations. And with that level of circuit visibility, you can identify the exact equipment driving your peak demand charges. That precision enables targeted load shifting, avoiding unnecessary surcharges, and turning demand penalties into a controllable cost, not an unpredictable one. And that controllability leads to measurement you can trust. Circuit Meter delivers high-precision current and voltage measurement down to the circuit level, reducing misdiagnosis and the associated costs. This means capital and maintenance decisions are grounded in reliable data, not estimates. And when your measurements are that precise, benchmarking becomes actionable. Equipment-level energy benchmarking against industry norms gives you early visibility into equipment drifting off specification, catching inefficiencies, quietly inflating your operating costs. Now you see how Circuit Meter delivers decision intelligence at every level, flagging abnormal consumption the moment it happens, catching silent issues before they inflate your operating costs, confirming your equipment are still performing to spec, and shifting operations from reactive to informed decisions. Learn more at circuitmeter.com.